Hey guys, it's Harriet. So I'm making this video to do an updated what's on my Android phone tag. I was requested to do this on one of my videos about the Samsung Galaxy S3. So I'm just gonna get started, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna switch and show you guys what's on my Android, okay? Okay, so here's my phone, and I got this. This is an aftermarket OtterBox case, and they make the ugliest OtterBox cases for this phone. My battery is about to die, but they make the ugliest OtterBox cases for this phone, and I found this one on Amazon. If I find the link to it, I'll leave it below. But yeah, here's my what's on my Android. I could have sworn I did one not too long ago, but someone asked me to do another one, so here we go. So on my front screen I have my beautiful widgets, and this, I've been getting a lot of questions about this. This is not an app. This comes with the phone. It is a picture widget, and you select the pictures that you want and it'll flash through like that. It's not a widget, it comes with the phone. So let me move this. My feet are here. I'm sorry if you see my feet. In this folder right here, it's labeled games, and I have games in here, and I don't have the labels for the name, for the games in here, because I took it off. But I think I can remember the names. So this first game is Zombie Evil, Logo Quiz, Star Wars, Angry Birds, Coin Drop, Zombie Run. What is this? Subway Surfers, Temple Run, Truffula Shuffler, Scramble, Mega Jump, Meme Generator, Netflix, Nook, Damn You Autocorrect, Jewel Star, Kevin Hart Soundboard, Marvel Comics, my Marvel Comics app, what is this? Fruit Ninja, Jetpack Joyride, Temple Run 2, Icon Quiz, Icon Pop Quiz or something like that, Tiny Tower, FML, Quarty, and Zombie Smash. And in this folder, which is my photo folder, I have TextGram, JustGram, Line Camera, BeFunky, PicFrame, Photo Grid, Paper Camera, Pixlr-matic, AW Watermark, Spy Camera, Photo Editor, and Magic Hour. Now, I really love this Spy Camera Pro app. Now, I'm going to show you this really quick. How neat is that? Like, you can secretly take pictures and it labels it as banana in your photo gallery, so you can hide pictures or secretly take pictures of things that you don't want people to know you're taking a picture of. So then I have my gallery, my Kik Messenger, and I don't even use Kik Messenger anymore because I deleted it. I deleted my other one and made a new one because I was getting like 150 messages a day, and I was like, fuck that, I'm not gonna keep that, because my phone was going off all hours of the night and I didn't like that. So I deleted it and made another one. So right here I have Citibank, which is my bank, Kik, Haytel, Internet, Play Store. I have my Gmail, my Instagram, Tumblr, my Pages app, because, you know, I use it to check my Facebook like page because I don't use Facebook on my phone. Uvu, and then at the bottom I have phone, contacts, Go SMS, what's that, camera, and that's for my apps. And I'm going to show you my Go SMS, but let me make sure. Okay, this is my Go SMS. And I really like this. I'm gonna delete that. That's just some pictures I sent. And I have all this, you know. So yeah. Then on my next page, I have YouTube, another picture widget, 2 more. My Juice Defender period tracker, which is a woman thing because I'm a woman. Sorry, my memory card was full. But I was saying that I have period tracker, and being that I'm a woman, I get periods, so I have my period tracker. Then I have my flashlight. I have another folder here, which is system. And in here, I have calculator, do it tomorrow, music, and navigator, my navigation thing. This is the mobile hotspot, my Plume, which is Twitter, and I don't use it because I always seem to forget about Twitter. And then I have One Click Clear, another folder here, which is tools, and again, I have my Citibank. I have Chase, which is my boyfriend's bank. I have Esurance, which is my car insurance, phone tracker, eBay, and Amazon. Then I have Machinima, which is a gamer app to, you know, pretty much keep up with like game releases and game news and stuff like that, you know. So I have that. And then I have FML, I have Goodreads, and I have S-Voice. And that's it for my home screens. And in my app drawer, I have these folders here. And in this first one, I have my Metro. In this first one, I have my Metro. And in here, which is, it's pretty much like my stuff from my account, my Metro, Flipboard, Kai's, which is a Samsung thing. I have Rhapsody, Google Search, Metro Studio, and more services. Then I have my Go apps, and it's Go Keyboard, Go Widgets, Go Launcher, Go Themes, Go Store, Go SMS Pro, Go Market, and you know, all that go stuff. Then in this one, my photo, which is pretty much the same as the one that I have on my home screen. Then I have this one, which is the Google Play apps, which is Play Books, Play Magazine, Play Movies, Play Store, Google Wallet, Play Music, and Media Hub. Then in this one, my system is different from the one that I have on my home screen. I have Where's My Droid, Google Messenger, Ring Droid, Voice Recorder, Phone Tracker, S-Suggest, S-Memo, S-Voice, All Share, Downloads, and Samsung apps. Then I have my social, which is Facebook. First, I don't use Facebook on my phone. I have YouTube, Uvu, Kick Messenger, Keek, Instagram, Google Plus, Heytel, messaging, Google Talk, Gmail, and email. And then I have Tumblr, Tango, Plume, and Pages Manager. Then in my next one, Focus, I have tools. And in here I have navigation, calculator, add-ons, detector, 4G mobile hotspot, the App Store for Metro, Amazon, Citibank, Chase, eBay, Dropbox, which I don't use anymore, Esurance, Maps, One Click Clear, calendar, clock, contacts, Juice Defender, beautiful widgets, local, Shush, which is one of my favorites, discount calculator, flashlight, period tracker, and pill reminder. And then I have my games folder, which is pretty much the same games that I mentioned earlier. And then I have Do It Tomorrow, Easy Phone Sync, which is what I use to sync my phone with my iTunes. Then I have Google Settings, Internet, music player, my files, phone, and settings. And then I have video player over here, which is all by its lonesome. And I'm gonna put this app in with the Google Play, because that's a new app. So yeah, now I have one page again. And that is it. That is all for what's on my phone. Somebody added me. Michael Davis added you to a circle. Okay, Michael. I don't know who that is. Oh, that's me and my daughter at the park. That's us on the swings. Yeah. It's my boyfriend and I on our 1-year anniversary. And these are my favorite pictures of us, my honey bunny. And these are all my favorite pictures. That's me. I'm a dreadhead, in case you didn't know. That's my daughter. And that's us again, my daughter and I. And let's see what's in here. I have all this stuff here, my pictures and everything. And that's my baby. My Instagram folder. That's me and my daughter today. We went for a walk. I beat my Paper Mario game, so I took a picture of that for Instagram. My baby. That was her tearing up her burger today. Ooh, she went in on that. Then that's me with no glasses. Vans. I'm a Pisces, so one time for Pisces. I just got all this stuff. I'm just trying to kill time, I guess. But this is everything here. And that's it. And if you have any questions or anything else, go ahead and leave a comment below and I will answer it. And yeah, that's it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.